This is Module 3, Lesson 2, titled Real World Positive and Negative Numbers and Zero. The goals of this lesson are: I can use integers to indicate changes in elevation, temperature, and balance in a bank account. I can use vocabulary precisely to describe situations involving integers. As always, make sure that you guys pause the video at any time. Watch the video as many times as necessary and take good notes throughout. Let's go to example number 1. What we have in example number 1 is a story. I want you guys to read example 1 with me, and as I read it, I'm going to highlight some words that I want you guys to focus on after we're done. Okay? This is for Tim's 13th birthday. He received $150 in cash from his mom. His dad took him to the bank to open a savings account. Highlight savings account. Tim gave the cash to the banker to deposit into the account. The banker credited Tim's new account $150 and gave Tim a receipt. 1 week later, Tim deposited another $25 that he had earned as allowance. The next month, Tim's dad gave him permission to withdraw $35 to buy a new video game. Tim's dad explained that the bank would charge a $5 fee, charge as well, for each withdrawal from the savings account, and that each withdrawal and a charge would result in a debit to the account. Now, what I would like you guys to do is I would like you to pause the video, and I would like you to take those words that we highlighted, and I want you to write them into one of 2 columns. If you know what the word means, write it right there. If you don't know what the word means, write it in that column there. Then after you pause the video and have them all written down, start the video up again, and we'll talk about those, and then you guys will learn the words that you did not know. Now, the first word that we have in there is savings account. A savings account is an account that is created in the bank for your money. It says how much money is being saved in the bank. The next word was a deposit. A deposit is putting money into the account. So that would make your account more positive, adding money to the account. The next word is credited. Credited also is another way of adding money to your account. If you give money to the banker credits your account, and that puts a positive amount into the account. The next word was receipt. A receipt is a record of whether you're taking your money in or out of the account. The next word was allowance. Allowance is it's like a little job. He does chores around the house and he gets paid a certain amount of money. Now the next word was withdraw. Withdraw means to take money out of the account. Since it takes money out of the account, that's a negative to the account. And it takes money away from the money that's being saved in the bank. A charge is also a negative to the account. It's going to take money out of the account. We're charging a fee. A fee is a small amount that you have to pay, which means that's negative to the account as well. They're taking money out of the account. You're going to pay that fee for doing certain tasks. And then the last word was debit. Debit is a negative from the account as well. It's taking money out. You guys might have heard of a debit card. When you use a debit card, it takes money out of your account.